Oregano is an aromatic herb popularly used as a spice in cooking around the world. However, in addition to adding flavor and aroma to foods, oregano has been studied for its medicinal properties and health benefits. Its unique nutritional profile and antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds offer a wide range of benefits, including improvements in digestion, cardiovascular health, brain function, and strengthening the immune system. In this article, we will explore the top 10 benefits of oregano for humans based on reliable scientific research. In this channel, you will find detailed information about the benefits of oregano for humans, including how it works, and in order for us to continue to bring relevant and informative knowledge to everyone, it is important that you subscribe to the channel and also get your comment. Oregano contains antioxidant compounds that help prevent chronic diseases such as cancer and cardiovascular disease. These antioxidants, including rosmarinic acid and thymol, fight free radicals that damage cells in the body and lead to premature aging and chronic disease. Additionally, rosmarinic acid can help reduce inflammation in the body, which can be helpful in preventing conditions like arthritis and Alzheimer's disease. Adding oregano to your dishes can be an easy and tasty way to increase your intake of these beneficial compounds and improve your long-term health. Oregano has antimicrobial properties, which means it can help fight infections and protect against illnesses caused by bacteria, fungi, and other pathogens. Studies have shown that oregano essential oil can be effective in fighting bacteria such as Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus, as well as fungi such as Candida albicans. In addition, oregano can help prevent respiratory infections such as the flu thanks to its antiviral properties. Incorporating oregano into your diet or consuming the essential oil can be a natural and effective way to protect against infection and disease. Small amounts of oregano can have significant antimicrobial effects. Oregano essential oil has demonstrated potent antimicrobial properties and can help fight bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Some studies suggest that oregano may be effective in fighting bacteria such as Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus, as well as fungi such as Candida albicans. In addition, oregano can be useful in fighting respiratory infections such as sinusitis and bronchitis, thanks to its antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. Incorporating oregano into your diet or consuming the essential oil can be a natural and effective way to protect against infection and disease. Oregano contains compounds that may help lower blood pressure in people with hypertension. These compounds help to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, resulting in a lowering of blood pressure. Several studies have investigated the effects of oregano on blood pressure, and some have shown that regular consumption of oregano can lead to a significant reduction in systolic and diastolic blood pressure in people with hypertension. However, it is important to remember that oregano should not be used as a substitute for prescription medication, and it is always important to speak with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet. Oregano can be a healthy and tasty addition to a balanced diet and can help maintain long-term cardiovascular health. Oregano can help improve brain function, thanks to its antioxidant compounds that can protect brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. Some studies suggest that oregano may improve memory and cognition in animals, although more research is still needed to determine whether these effects also apply to humans. Oregano can also help relieve stress, which can improve overall mental health. Adding oregano to your meals or drinking oregano essential oil can be a tasty and natural way to support your brain health. In addition to its brain health benefits, oregano may also be helpful in preventing certain types of cancer. Studies suggest that oregano contains compounds that may help prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells. These compounds include rosmarinic acid and carvacrol, which have been studied for their antioxidant and anti-cancer properties. While more research is needed to confirm these effects, oregano can be a healthy and tasty addition to the diet for those looking to prevent cancer and maintain overall health. Oregano is rich in nutrients and compounds that can help strengthen your immune system, including vitamins A and C, iron, and antioxidants. Some studies suggest that oregano essential oil may have antiviral and antibacterial properties, which can help prevent infections. Oregano also contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body and protect against inflammation-related chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Adding oregano to your diet can be an easy and delicious way to support immune health. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds found in oregano can help relieve pain and reduce inflammation in the body. Studies have shown that oregano essential oil can be effective in relieving headache, muscle pain, and menstrual pain in women. Oregano can also be used topically as a natural remedy to relieve skin pain and inflammation, including insect bites and skin irritations. Incorporating oregano into your diet or using oregano essential oil as a topical ointment can be a natural and safe way to relieve pain and discomfort. Oregano is a nutritious and flavorful aromatic herb that can easily be added to many dishes to increase the nutritional value. It is a good source of calcium, which is essential for healthy bones and teeth, as well as muscle and nerve function. Oregano is also rich in iron, an important mineral for red blood cell production and preventing anemia. In addition, it contains vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting and bone health. Incorporating oregano into your diet can be an easy and delicious way to increase your intake of essential nutrients. In summary, oregano is much more than a simple culinary spice, offering significant benefits to human health. From strengthening the immune system and reducing inflammation to improving cardiovascular and brain health, there are many reasons to include oregano in your diet. With its antioxidant, antimicrobial, and analgesic properties, oregano is a natural and effective alternative to many conventional treatments. So the next time you're cooking a meal, remember to add some oregano for extra flavor and a health boost. Our intention is to always bring relevant content. We hope you enjoyed this content. If you liked it, leave your comment and your like.